Hey guys, it's me. The first thing what we're gonna do is to continue the panels, and then with this, we're not gonna do it today. Okay? Okay. So let's get started. So, like you said, use a ruler. You trace it here, like this. And yeah, just repeat what you just did here on the first one. And make sure it's supposed to be a square, like what real comic dude does. I'll send you a link how to make comics, and yeah, you can try to use it. It's in French, so you guys in French, please. Please. Oh, she can't talk. Like this, sort of rectangle, right here, and then right here, turn a bit. Make sure that this part goes here, and then close it. You must have a tiny gap to get it right here. And if you made a mistake, that's okay. Just use your eraser. Like what I have. Yeah. Okay. So let us say that you already did the first page, and you can finally do the speech bubble or film sketch. A sketch page. Just like this. So it starts from here to here. Right? If I'm right, I'm right. Now that you already did this part of the comic, here on this panel, you can start doing some speech. And normally, speech is kind of like this. But first, we're going to start with text. So, text here. And here, too, if you want. Here and here. And then, let's just do a random guy. Like this. Another guy. There. Just what I did. If you guys want to follow it, you can follow my style. Okay, just what? Here, you can do a background, like, let's say, your room, or yeah, you can do the sun and some trees. Yeah, and then, so when you do the sun, you can do it your own way. And some bushes, like this. Yeah. Some bush here. And trees. You do like this. 1 and 1. 1 and 1, like this. And then you just do a bit circlish. Like that. And you can put some more here. Let's just do one here. Yeah. And then you can draw somebody walking in woods or no, woods is not good. Let's not do that. It'll just be in the middle of a park. So park. Oh, and then forget to put clouds, of course. There. Okay. And then when you're done, you can do this one if you want. If it's too hard to do this one, you can do this or this. Which one do you want? Let's just do this. Way easier for me. Not for you. I mean, I don't know. So here you can do you can do like a guy. No, actually, no. Let's not do a guy. Let's do an intense scene. So, a big exclamation mark, like this. And then you can draw somebody surprised that there was a big fight somewhere. So let's just say that this is a Spider-Man comic. So he'll be like putting his mask. So like this. This. Yeah. And if you want to put webbing, you can. But I don't like webbing. I just put red. Yeah. It's a bit like that. Yeah. And then, when you finish doing this, you can draw a background like city or a place that no one can see that this dude is Spider-Man. So here, right here, it's just like you can draw somebody fighting. No, actually, we're not gonna draw somebody fighting. He'll be swinging into action. So the neck will be a bit sideways over here, like this, and then here. Now for the hand, you do it like this, and then like this, this, and the web. And on the other side, like this. So technically he'll be swinging. So if he's swinging, sorry my English, it'll be a bit like this. And you can put the spider here. Yeah. And a weapon, but I don't want to put it. And here's Spider-Man right here, swinging, so like this. And then you can put some guys down here, like guys from this panel right here. Like the guys who are the dangerous stuff. Yeah. So they didn't know that Spider-Man was here, but one of them knew, so he can do this. And then here you can put some fighting. But I don't want to put it, I'll just put fight. And now you have your first page. Let's see you guys next week, okay? Okay.